Namaskar. Dear learners, welcome. We are going to learn about the concept of competency based education and learning outcomes, its need and importance, and the initiatives taken by the Government of India for shifting towards competency based education. We will also learn about the foundational literacy and numeracy, that is FLN framework, and codification of learning outcomes. In today's education system, we find that all children entering a particular class are expected to learn the course contents in a stipulated time. The weekly tests, half-yearly and annual exams are scheduled on fixed times. Most of the lessons are textbook based and the focus of the teachers is on covering the defined syllabus. Same type of instructions are given to the entire class. Differences in the levels of language skills, visual motor skills, social readiness, varied levels of oral language development and diversity in home atmosphere may result in different types of learners having different learning needs. This system of education does not take into account the diverse contexts and backgrounds, languages and differential learning needs with which children enter the school. But the learning in student is variable. Some learn concepts very fast, some require more practice. Therefore, there is a need to shift towards competency based education or CBE. What exactly is competency based education? Although there is no single universally accepted definition of competency based education, but there are certain common elements in programs based on competency based education. CBE tries to shift the emphasis on how the time is allotted for learning to how children demonstrate the competencies. The competencies are well defined and fixed to ensure that each child acquires the foundational learning, but the time spent and pathways of learning will be different for each child. The students, teachers and parents know what are the competencies or expectations of learning, which helps teachers and students to plan what they need to teach and learn and track their progress. The defined competencies help students understand the key concepts, apply knowledge to the meaningful problems and leads to mastery of relevant skills. In CBE, students know what they need to learn and how they will be assessed. When students experience any difficulty, the teachers and students address the problem. Formative assessment is used, which is aimed to help children acquire the competencies. Teachers determine where each child is in the learning process and adjust their teachings as necessary. Formative assessment gives teachers the ability to adjust in real time by clearly identifying the key areas where students need to improve. Students are taught and supported based on their personal strengths and weaknesses, giving each individual student the same chance for success. The pedagogy is based on activities, experiences, integration of arts, sports, technology, etc., and connecting the learning to real life situations so that the child learns to apply knowledge. When students demonstrate a clear understanding of the topic, prove their ability to apply that understanding and show how they have developed important skills, they move forward.